Hey guys, it's me Jonathan here, and today I have to say that the movie was obviously not going to be yesterday. It's actually going to be on Wednesday. Yeah, because my director and cameraman, he's on he's on vacation right now. He went to vacation on the day the movie was supposed to be made. And then we going to had the first part made, second part Monday, but that didn't work out. So now it's going to be on Wednesday. We're going to have it on Tuesday, and then we're going to finish it on Wednesday, and we're going to post it on YouTube. Okay, so bye, guys.